I just want to take this moment, and because of the video that I made yesterday about DJT and obviously the glorious Trump, I just want to take this moment and apologize to absolutely nobody. Check this out. So DJT, I walked away with $40,908.27. I left myself with my one lucky share. You guys, I just don't get it, right? People were so offended yesterday when I talked about, hey, I'm going to short this super shitty, overvalued company, DJT, because that's what it is, right? Social House or whatever it is that he wanted to call it, but didn't want to call it that or name it that for the actual ticker symbol. It makes sense because no one's going to remember the name because all that everyone cares about is Donald Trump. And that's great, right? That brings obviously a lot of attention, but it's short-lived attention, right? And I asked myself a very simple question yesterday, right? When I shorted this, I made a little bit over $4,000 shorting DJT yesterday. And I was like, what would an idiot do? Oh, well, it did sell off a lot yesterday. Maybe an idiot would buy the dip and then run it into the market open and see kind of where that leads. So I actually bought a few hundred shares, a few thousand shares actually. And I went long with you guys. I told you, right? It wouldn't surprise me if DJT continues to try to go up, right? We've proven that before with DJT, with AMC, with GME, and with all these like Reddit traders that continue to idiotically drive the price up, but they never lock in profit. So I'm going to do the same thing an idiot does and buy this stock. But the difference is I'm going to lock it in because that's what we're here to do, right? I don't care about your emotions. I don't care about your political opinion and how it becomes your personality. I do not care if you go for Biden or for Trump. They're both absolute idiots, right? Especially with, I think the majority of America can agree that like we do not have good choices for the next presidential candidate. But sure, if you think that someone's success, especially in the stock market, is going to be driven by, who's running it. We have some of the smartest minds running these most successful companies. And guess what? They still struggle. Tesla is a perfect example of this. So I bought into the dip after it sold off, and I held those few thousand shares. And into the pre-market session, I locked in profits. During my live trading session today with the LPP team, I shorted all the way back down to lows of $63, and then I went long again. And then I shorted this thing on the way back down again. And then I went long again. And it was just a lot of fun. So I was like, okay, what's a better way to get these really like offended and sensitive people upset with not just me shorting a stock, is me going long with it, but actually locking in profits. I want to remind you, again, all jokes aside, I do not care if you go long on this stock. I generally don't care what you do with your position, with your trading account, right? I make these videos to make you aware, right? Of, okay, this thing does meet the criteria of a pump and dump. It is overhyped up. That's all that I'm saying. And people, you would think that based off of how they're reacting is that I insulted their mother. That's not the case at all. So I wanted to show you, all emotions aside, strictly just trading, because that's what we're here to do. We're here to make money, right? That I'm not afraid to take advantage of an opportunity going short or going long, even with this super crappy, overvalued company that a bunch of idiots continue to hold. So $40,908.11. I left myself with my one lucky share, and I also shorted coin on the way down. I locked in profits a little early on that one, $4,128.30, and I left myself with my one lucky share there. So other than that, that's it. Right? $44,000 on the day. I'd love to see which one of you Trumpies or Biden. I really don't care what it is that you are, right? Remember, we're all here for the same reason. And I hope that you understand that. I hope that this video, you probably came in all excited of like, oh my God, I'm so excited. I want to see how much money lost. It does me no good seeing you guys lose money. It does me no good seeing you guys make money, right? I just get happy when I hear that you guys locked in profits and made money. I don't care if you're with me or against me. If you do your part in locking in profits, even with this super shitty company, I don't care what it is that you're trading. You're just using it as a vehicle to make money. Stop making it more than what it actually is. No one cares about your political opinion. A Trumpy, a Bideny, whatever it is that you call yourself. No one cares. No one cares. So please, 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 I'm just going to continue to use it to either get more views or to trigger you even more. I think it's absolutely hilarious. And I just really hope that this video encourages you that if you're going to trade, then do just that, because your emotions, your opinions mean absolutely nothing in this market. You might try to offend me, and just like this video, it might offend you. But guess what? At the end of the day, when it comes down to this market opening and this market closing, we're all here for the same reason, and that is to make money. So please do not make it more than just that. So other than that, I want to make sure, based off of this economic calendar, according to Thursday, March 28th, 2024, we do have the GDP and the PCE report that's going to be released tomorrow. And then on Friday, the market is closed. So I wanted to ask you guys, I'm thinking about it of going live tomorrow. I normally only go live for my LPP team, but I wanted to go live in front of all of you guys. Those that like me, those that hate me, right? Tune on in and just see what it's like to watch me trade live. You get to see all of my good trades and all of my bad trades. But the beautiful thing is you get to actually see me trade. So if you want to tune on in, get this video to over 1,000 likes. I would love to host a free live trading session for you. And again, all you literally have to do is get this video to over 1,000 likes. And if it has over 1,000 likes by market open, I'll go live for free. And again, all you have to do is subscribe to the YouTube channel and make sure you tune on in and wake up, because I know some of you Trumpies and Bidenees like to sleep in. Again, all jokes aside, I wish you guys nothing but the best. I hope that you did your part as a trader, not as a political opinionator, to lock in profits. And I wish you guys nothing but the best. So if you have any questions, feel free to comment down below. And let's see how many negative Nancys are in the comment section. Take care, team.